Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing a slime video, slime collection. These are the ones that I love more. So two of my favorite slimes are down here, like one right here, right here. You can kind of see it. So the first one is like a, let's say like a purple, light purple. And I don't have a name for this one, but I keep it in this little thing, and I cover it like this. This is how I cover it. And look, hear the noise, look. And by the way, when we were going to the store, to the flea market, there was a car accident, like the wheels were like setting up like over here. You have this big thing, like you put like here. I'll try to make y'all hear. It's gonna be a pretty long video, and put this back before it gets hard. Made it with contact solution. So put it on here. That's my bag of slime. So the second slime that I have is this pink one. So here's the container. I leave it there. Sorry about that. And thank you if you said bless you. And so, as you can see, I'm trying to take slime out of the tap. Look, because there's still slime right here. So, basically, this is my strawberry slime last night. The strawberry. There's something that I call it strawberry with sprinkles in it. And here's the stretch. The stretch is pretty good. And it's sticky because I like it. A tiny sticky. And here's the noises of it when I poke it. If you can't hear, put it closer. So that's that. Close it up. It was leaking right now, so that's why it was a hard time to show y'all. I got a choker, and it came with this one and a peach one with a little diamond circle one. So that's that one. My third slime is this one, and I keep it in a white tub with a clear container. And it's like my grape one. Here's how it looks. Closer view. And if y'all think this is like the favorite color or like view that y'all been, comment down below. Then here's the stretch. It doesn't stretch that much, but I'll give you the noises. here's the noise. Sorry that like you can hear people because they came from Florida, Miami, because the hurricane. So today's Saturday. This will come up on Saturday. It should come up um by Sunday. And here's this third slime. Put it right down here. And here's, I'm guessing my stickiest slime. It's like this cherry slime. This cherry slime. Like it sticks to the cap, or not to the container. So here I'll give you a stretch. It's pretty stretchy, look. So then here is the poke noise. First, show you. Here the closer. So that's that slime. It's not sticky, I'm guessing. I've been needing to sneeze this whole time, like a lot. These whole past days, I've been needing to sneeze and sneeze. I've been sneezing a lot, and some got on my pants. I need to take off. I'll save the last for the. And I have some in this like little frozen box that when you open, there's some slime in there. I'll be back, guys. So I'm back, guys. It's been for the lighting, and I need to hurry up. It's been 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So here is this slime. Is my mint. This is my second mint. I have 2 mints. It's a pretty stretchy one. And here are the pop noises. Because my dad still has to, like, my family members are like Florida. Not Florida, but my family members are somewhere else, like in Florida, or let's say where the hurricane's gonna pass. So here are the pop noises in video. And here are the pop noises in earnest. Can y'all hear that? This is so good slime. So that's that slime. Okay, bye. It's because my cousins are like saying like they wanna go to trampoline. I'm making this video, so just my second minute. I don't know if it might look like a light blue. What do y'all want?
Are you gonna go
No.
outside when you're finished?
Yeah.
I'll wait for you
Okay, bye.
outside.
Okay. So it might look like a light blue, but it's actually like a turquoise. So it's pretty stretchy. And yeah. Okay. So that's that. Oh yeah, I forgot to hear the Pokemon. So you can't hear this one that much. Here's this one. So that's the Pokemon 6. Oh lord. I tried to put it in the container and now it flew back. So there's only 3 more slimes left. Like, here's a sneak peek of the 3 last ones. Second one is my blueberry one. So that's just pretty good. Oh yeah. So here are the Poke and like when you're seeing. And here is the like, you know, so that's that. That's my blueberry one. And 2 more left. Okay, these 2 are almost the same ones. Pretty much the same, but different color. It might look like the same, but it doesn't stretch that well. You can see, but it has foam beads in it. Like one just fell off. So this one's the pink one, and I'll show you my other one. Oh, the Pokemon, that's right. So that's that one. The biggest one is a popping container. Most of these are all clear containers, except for these 2 ones. This one is a white tap in a clear container, and this one's a pink container. I'll get the slime out. Look, it's all frozen. Actually, here's a container. Oh. And so here's the slime. So here's the first stretch that we have. This one's a purple one. As I said, it doesn't stretch that much, but it does have foams in it. So the air conditioner, you can see like right there, it's moving. And here the poke. So that's that, and are y'all okay, guys? You sure you're okay? That was a big slam. So I'll be back. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and then turn on your notification after you subscribe. And so this was my slime collection. I have like 2 of each one, but I just didn't bring them because it'll be more long time, and I had to leave already. I'm like, after this video I have to leave, you know. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy my slime collection. These are all my slimes. These 3, and these 2. That one and the foam beads one. And thanks for watching. Bye.